Oh, Mia, go say hello to the sheep.
Yeah.
Come on.
No.
Come on, Bubba.
Say hello.
Yeah.
No. She's scared of them.
She's scared of them. You want to see Mummy? Mummy touches one of the sheep. Mummy touches one of the sheep. Move, please. Move, please.
Hold Daddy's hand. Hold Daddy's hand. No, Mummy's going to touch me.
Hello, baby. Oh, do they bite? Oh, here comes the donkey. It's a very loud donkey. What does the donkey say? Bah! Oh, cute donkey. Cute donkey. Cute donkey.
Donkey wants more food.
Oh.
That's what the donkey wants.
Donkey wants more food.
Plenty of grass there. I don't know if you're meant to eat scones.
No.
No.
Honey?
Can you go inside, honey?
Say hello.
No, she doesn't want.
No?
Hmm? There's a donkey. Oh! Oh! It's a donkey, sweetheart.